helpful, and to grow just like nature does. Nature gives us so much, and in return, we must care for it by keeping our surroundings clean and green. Moreover, the floral borders on this board enhances the beauty of this board, symbolizing growth, freshness, and the vibrant spirit of the spring. In conclusion, this board inspires us to live with joy, embrace change, and stay connected to nature. Let us all carry this message with us in our daily lives. Every land, great souls are rising, brave and brave. With dreams that soars beyond the sky, it taught us how to live and work. Today, I stand before all of you to present the beautiful theme displayed on our board. Great personalities across different continents and their inspiring achievements. Our board is not just a collection of pictures and words, but a journey across the world celebrating the lives of those who change history with their courage, wisdom, and determination. From Asia, we remember Rabindranath Tagore, a poet whose words gave voice to freedom, truth, and imagination. His vision of a fearless and united world continues to inspire generations. Moving to Africa, we honor Nelson Mandela, a symbol of courage and forgiveness. Despite years of hardship, joy can transform societies.
From North America, we are inspired by Martin Luther King Jr., whose dream of equality and justice still echoes in our hearts. He believed in nonviolence, showed us the true strength of humanity. In South America, we look up to Simon Bolivar, a great liberator who fought bravely for unity and freedom, giving hope to millions. From Europe, we celebrate Marie Curie, whose dedication in science and discoveries broke the barriers and opened new paths of knowledge and innovation. From Australia, we remember Steve Irwin, who taught us to love and protect nature, reminding us that every living creature deserves care and respect. And finally, from Antarctica, we honor Lord Amundsen, whose courage and determination led him to explore the unknown, proving that perseverance can conquer even the harshest challenges. Each of these personalities, though from different continents, shares a common message to dream big, work hard, and continue positive growth. This book teaches us that greatness is not limited by place or time. It is shaped by our action, our values, and our willingness to make a difference. And especially the border of blowing light symbolizes knowledge and inspiration, reflecting how these great personalities have illuminated the world with their ideas and spirit. Let us take inspiration from this remarkable individual and strive to become better, kinder, and more determined in our own lives.
The theme of all. Welcome students back to school with joy, hope, and new beginnings. Each new school day is a doorway to dreams, where hope shines bright and knowledge grows. And guided by wisdom and care, we walk the path of learning with confidence, striving to become our best selves. These thoughts are beautifully mirrored in the two poems displayed on either sides of the board, reflecting the true spirit of hope, guidance, and new beginning.
As we look at the board, its warmth and cheerfulness instantly uplifts our hearts. It creates a welcoming atmosphere that encourages us to step in the enthusiasm, embrace new opportunities, and make the most of our school journey. These lines inspire us to enter this academic journey with confidence, respect, and determination. Our teachers are always there to guide us, and it is up to us to make the best of every opportunity.
The red and white bows around the border adds a festive touch to the board. They make the board look like a gift, just like education itself a greatest gift we receive. Now, I would like to draw your attention to the central and decorative element of our board. At the center, we have a birthday chart along with a birthday cake, which beautifully represents celebration and happiness. It reminds us that every student is special and valued. Celebrating birthdays in school creates a sense of celebration and joy, making our school feel like our second home. It also encourages us to appreciate one another and sharing each other's happiness. Such moments strengthen our bonds as a school family and fill our days with warmth and togetherness. Overall, the board gives us a warm message of returning to school with happiness, enjoying every moment of learning, and celebrating each other. Thank you and have a great day.